If your Mark 666 or 1666 doesn't seem to smoke like it used to, or as in the case of this one, goes a couple laps and it's smoking really good and then all of a sudden just quits, usually means that the wick has started to wear away. And there's an easy fix to these, and I can show you how to tweak them so that they'll smoke like a fiend and lap after lap. So we'll take a look and see what all you need is some insulation. Your house insulation will work, and a very thin screwdriver, about like this one. They're real small, real thin at the end. And I'll show you just what to do. I'm not sure you can see it in the camera, but the smoke unit sits right here. There's a wire here and a wire there that holds it in place. The piston blows air up through here and it comes out near the top, and so the smoke rises and then is blown out with the piston. So what you can do is on this side or that side of that smoke unit, you can put house insulation, and it will, as long as you don't obstruct this area where the piston blows air up through, it'll hold more liquid, it'll smoke a lot longer, and it smokes really nice. Okay, so here I have the house insulation. All I do is take a very thin screwdriver and just gently push it to the right side of the smoke unit, being careful not to hit the wire, and then push it all the way down in. I usually push 2 or 3 pieces on that side and maybe another piece on this side of the smoke unit, and that should be enough to really have it smoking good. Here's another small piece. I'll push that down on the other side of the smoke unit. Just gently push it in there. You want to be careful not to break the wire, and make sure that you don't obstruct that up in here where the air comes through. Just gently just get it down in there like that. Okay, sure I've got that lined up with the camera. As you can see, I don't have anything obstructed. Got it down in there gently. Now we'll put the motor back in the shell. We'll put some mega steam in there and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I've got my mega steam. I'm going to put about 7 drops in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The extra insulation allows you to use a little more smoke fluid. And now we'll see how it works. Warm up. Give it a lap to see if it gets smoking good. It's already smoking pretty good now. You should get these tweaked. They really smoke great. before this engine would have stopped smoking about the third lap. As you can see, it's still, smoke's still pouring out of it. So just adding our house insulation, take a little thin screwdriver to gently push it in on either side of the smoke unit. Just be careful and you can bring these old smoke units right back to life. Marx really made good ones. Again, as Robert Grossman said, never forget to have fun. God bless.